Welcome to Exam Sale. This script walks you through the syllabus for the Cisco Implementing Cisco Collaboration Applications exam, CAPPS, and explains what you need to learn and practice to pass. Listen for the domain weights, focus areas, and the key topics you must master. The CAPPS exam is divided into 5 domains with clear weights. Configure Cisco IM and Presence is 31%. Configure Cisco Unity Connection is 23%. Cisco TMS is 23%. Configure Cisco Unity Express is 13%. And Video Provisioning and Integration in Cisco Unity Connection is 10%. Together these domains test configuration, administration, provisioning, and integration skills across voice, presence, messaging, and video. The exam blends hands-on skills with conceptual knowledge, so balance lab practice and theory study. Configure Cisco IM and Presence carries 31% of the exam and focuses on configuration and management of presence services, client integration, and protocol interworking within Cisco Unified Communications. This is rated hard, with an estimated learning time of 45 hours and an assessment style of hands-on plus conceptual tasks. You will learn SIP and XMPP protocols and how they interwork, the IM and Presence service components, cluster and node configuration, service discovery and DNS-SRV records, and how to configure the Presence engine and proxy services for high availability and federation. You will also master Cisco Jabber client setup for desk phone and soft phone modes, mobile deployment, directory integration using LDAP or EDI, persistent chat, Jabber config.xml management, visual voicemail, call history, and screen sharing and conferencing integration. Configure Cisco Unity Connection accounts for 23% and emphasizes administration of voice messaging systems, user provisioning, and integration with call control platforms. This domain is medium difficulty, requires about 35 hours of study, and is assessed with hands-on and conceptual tasks. Expect to configure SCCP and SIP integrations with CUCM, implement user templates and account policies, set up partitions and search spaces for multi-tenancy, manage directory synchronization via LDAP, and configure class of service and restriction tables along with IMAP integration for visual voicemail. You will design and configure system call handlers, implement directory and interview handlers, configure call routing rules and schedule settings, enable speech-activated directory features, and analyze call handler traffic and usage reports. Cisco TMS is 23% of the exam and focuses on management, scheduling, and provisioning of video conferencing infrastructure and endpoints. This medium difficulty domain has an estimated 30 hours of learning time and uses scenario-based assessment to test practical skills. You will add and manage systems in TMS Navigator, configure TMS phone books and directories, manage software upgrades and endpoint provisioning, create configuration templates and profiles, and troubleshoot endpoint registration and connectivity while monitoring system status. You will also schedule point-to-point and multi-point conferences, manage MCU and telepresence server resources, configure TMS extensions for Microsoft Outlook, implement Smart Scheduler, manage recording and streaming resources, and analyze conference reporting and utilization including ad hoc and scheduled bridge settings. Configure Cisco Unity Express represents 13% and covers deployment and maintenance of localized messaging services for branch office environments. This domain is medium difficulty, estimated at 20 hours of study, and assessed with conceptual and scenario-based questions. Topics include integrating queue with CME via SIP, managing queue user accounts and mailboxes, implementing auto-attendant scripts and basic IVR flows, planning queue licensing and capacity, and performing backup and restore procedures. You will also configure system-wide voicemail settings and learn how to design queue solutions appropriate for remote or branch deployments. Video provisioning and integration in Cisco Unity Connection is 10% and focuses on enhancing voice messaging with video capabilities and media streaming. This easy domain requires about 15 hours of study and is assessed with conceptual and scenario-based items. You will learn video messaging system requirements, how to configure video greetings and video mail, identify supported video codecs and containers, and manage video transcoding and media resources. You will also configure video-specific call handler options, troubleshoot video stream negotiation issues, and set video port and bandwidth parameters to ensure reliable delivery of video messaging. In summary, CAPPS covers presence and collaboration clients, voice messaging, video provisioning, conferencing management, and branch voicemail, and the total estimated learning time across domains is approximately 145 hours. Prioritize hands-on practice for the IM and presence domain and Unity connection integration, and use labs to reinforce TMS and Q scenarios while reviewing video provisioning concepts. Good planning, steady lab work, and targeted review of the topics listed will prepare you to pass the Implementing Cisco Collaboration Applications exam.